Hey everybody, my name is Frank with Clean and Boujee Auto Detailing here in Temecula, California, and in today's video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I'm working with today. This vehicle was dropped off to my house and my location. So if you are in the Hemet area, Menifee area, Temecula area, Lake Elsinore area, and you don't have access to a garage or carport, you can drop it off at my location here, and that way I can get it done for you and you can pick it up when it's ready, whether if it's that same day or a few days from now. All right, so but yeah guys, so I just want to give you guys a heads up. If you want to drop off your vehicle and you're looking to get a coating, make sure to contact me and I'll take care of that for you guys. All right, but today I'm working on a BMW X4. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So it's a pretty nice car. I mean, it's not too dirty. The owner did wash it. However, I told him I had to wash it again, remove anything that I see. So as you can see, and then I'm going to show you guys what the paint looks like. So here we go. It's a navy blue metallic. So I think you guys can see. Let me zoom in real quick. So like I said, it's a dark navy blue. It has some metallic flakes in there, but as you guys can see from the lighting here, it's lots of swirls. So yeah. So the owner of this car he told me straight up, like, hey Frank, I take it to a car wash. I take it almost every week. And I did let him know, obviously with the coated vehicle, you don't want to do that. If you are someone that goes to a car wash and your vehicle looks like that, now you know why. And really quickly, the reason why car washes are known to get people's swirl marks like this over time is because they don't clean out their equipment as often as they should. So that is the number one reason why people have swirls all over their vehicles, and why some people don't realize that they're getting swirls on their vehicle when they go to the car wash. And it also makes your car look a lot more dull, faded, oxidized, and you're stripping away any protection that's on the vehicle every single time you go. So if you are watching this video and you go to a car wash, you can either decide to stop going and wash your vehicle on your own, hand washing it, hire a detailer that knows what they're doing, or you can go to a touchless car wash where they just spray the soap and rinse the vehicle off. It's not going to be as clean as probably the other ones, just to be honest with you guys, unless you have a coated vehicle where it stays clean longer and it looks nicer every single time it's washed. So just thought I'd give you guys a heads up. But for this vehicle today, it's a level 1 correction, so we're focusing on clarity, removing minor swirls and defects, and protecting it with a 3-year coating. I'll be installing crystal serum light on it today. So so stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for the polishing. I'm gonna get started by washing this vehicle, claying it, deconning it, and getting it prepped up for the polishing. All right, so enjoy. All right, guys. So I'm gonna test out Repels fine polish. This is their professional polish line. So I'm gonna try this with a orange cutting pad from Chemical Guys. This is their medium cut. So because we're going for a paint enhancement, I don't want to go too aggressive. So I'm gonna try to see if maybe the orange pad with the Repels polisher here, polishing compound, is going to do, the job, or if I have to, take it up a step, I'm gonna do 3D one, right, which is a cutting compound and finishing compound polish. So it's an all-in-one type of thing, and I'm gonna use McGuire's cutting pad. Now, I like to use this for a one step, or for example, this paint enhancement that we're doing today. I like to use this combo most of the time because it works pretty well on almost every vehicle I've worked with. If I have to go a little bit more on the fine polishing side, I'll switch it to the Repels. So this has been pretty much my two favorite combos right now. So I'm gonna test these out first, and see where we're at after I do the test spots. All right, so here's what the paint was before. Let me zoom in real quick. So here's what was. There we go. Oh, before. So here's after. Much more clear. From where it was. And then now here's the 3D one. Very nice. So right off the bat, I like the finish better with the 3D one, probably because it has a Meguiar's cutting disc. So rather than the orange cutting pad. So
So I just finished coating the vehicle, putting the tire shine on it, and I have to say, from where it was to how it is now, it looks a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and film the car, kind of do a video footage, and then take some pictures after.